do everything we're sure.
There's that trumpeter, Chet.
W.
Yeah, okay. I'm all right.
Yep.
He's even got more in the back wall. Excuse me, guys. A lot of deals here, guys. A lot of hidden treasures here.
Thank you very much. Enjoy.
I'm working on that kit right now. How you doing, boss?
Good, man.
Look at that slot car. If you're into die cast, this is the place.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing, guys?
Good. Thank you.
Filming this for my YouTube channel.
Take your time. Enjoy what we have.
All right. Oh, look at this. Ah, check those out, huh?
24 scale.
Wow. Beautiful.
Original Barani wheels. Hand laced.
Cool. There's even got kits down here. That's all right. You're good. Wow. Look at this Tyco. Wow. Oh. Here's something Sean might like. Right up your alley, Sean.
Duesenberg, 24 scale. Hand laced.
They metal wheels?
Yes, it's metal.
Beautiful.
Brass nickel plating.
Wow.
Please tell me it's a place like
Man, look at all that die cast, guys.
What do
Wow.
you think when they start giving the awards?
Look at all that die cast. Tons of it.
Oh, we'd be long gone by now.
I mean, you stack, throw it
Yeah,
on.
well, that's why I went to this, because
Yeah.
I used to have everything in trunks.
You saw the pictures. Most of my
Hi, guys.
die casters, and they're
Look at
all
that.
this size.
Entire wall full of models, guys. Look at that. Wow.
And they hold up. I have some, 3-4 years old.
Oh, shit, I didn't see this. Is this complete?
Missing one hubcap.
One hubcap, but it's complete though. Instructions?
Yep.
How much are you for that? Just, thank you. Oh, a Galaxy trailer. If you're looking for vintage kits, guys, man, gotta go to a show, man. There's just tons and tons of models here. Hey Frank, you busy?
Yeah, I'm busy. How you doing, buddy?
All right, man. I didn't even get to these guys yet.
There you go.
Huh?
Trooper, Iron Maiden beer.
Ah, that'll put hair on your chest. Oh man, I gotta stop at this table later. fucking what is that? You see the die cast? Wow. Yeah. Oh, I built that right over there. I built that vet.
Seems like a very popular car.
Yeah. But the hood is all fucking Highway Pioneers. A lot of vintage kits here, guys. Promos. Oh man, I used to have that. I gave that to a friend, believe it or not. I had that. Models as far as the eye can see, guys.
See, I had sanded this off. I had two of them, Joanne, and one of them I sanded off.
Screw bottom build kits.
Johan had I have two of the Johans. But they weren't there was a Snap It kit that was a street car. The Johan is a mascot. Everybody makes a mascot version of the car. For some reason. Talladega.
Oh, excuse me, guys.
It's got that nose with like a
Yeah, but when you sold it like this thing.
Here's a metal one I have is metal flake.
A lot of screw bottoms in here. Old kids.
Guy bought that for me in the Dodge Dart. Oh, the Dodge 4-door hard.
Oh, check out this Buick wagon.
No, this was the 2-door hard drive.
Cool.
They made both versions, 2 and 4 developed. I got 4 doors. They made both. They made both.
This is a bitch of a car to get. But I wouldn't trust it.
Scale Motorsports. Check out these decals for your interior. Really nice. That's the guy right there. Check it out. We got about 3 of these. You guys want to display your models? These are awesome.
Why they're waiting on the race car.
There he is.
They were okay.
Mono Wetch. Carbon fiber decals.
Order it, like it's just give it to me. That's it. By the new year, like I need a gift.
You never set up a whole table, right?
She just bring a couple. And like it's like just you know why?
Yeah, I was lucky I had somebody who's got a table. You know Phil?
No, I never met him.
I just built that.
Yes. We've known him for.
How you guys doing, all right?
I forgot. The NNL is in March or April?
April.
Usually when I'm going down the road with the camera,
A lot of vintage kits, guys. A lot of Johans. Look at all these promos. Check this out. It's a lot of built-up kits, boy. How you doing? I'm back doing a video for my channel.
Oh, all right. Hi.
This lady is selling off her husband's collection. Wait till you see what he's got for sale. Check this out. These are all original kits. You guys remember this one? LS. I thought they just made aircraft. I didn't know they made. I got a couple of planes by LS. Check that out. How about this? This one's motorized. Oh, check this one out. This is all original. It's got the display in it. It's got the box with the bullet holes in it. That is friggin' cool. Amazing. There's a Ford J car with a clear body. Look at that vending machine. Hey Matthew, who built this? Here's my buddy Mike and Gene. Any part you need, I guarantee you they have it.
Right? And it was on sale.
That's all I can say.
And I bought it, and they said, oh, it's $5 because there's no instructions. Someone stole the instructions. I went home, I wrote a letter.
Tools and accessories. I bought a light from this guy about a couple of years ago. An LED magnifying light. Great tool to have. More kits underneath. How you doing? All right, good. More kits down here. Good deal on that. I just picked one of these up. 150 he's asking for. Cool. How you doing, guys? All right. Check this out. 3 complete kits. Cool.
Okay, we'll try one more time. We'll wait a little later. 8716. 8716. So that's 4 digits. Check your blue tickets. That's cool. Go at the door.
This is 61, 60, 61, 62 original Falcon kits, never built. That one's
Inside there? Yeah.
That one's the thing that I bought just for the body.
Yeah, I got a couple of Falcon kits, rebuilders.
Oh, rebuild.
Yeah, the same box. It's got that generic box. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, these ones are unbuilt.
Yeah, somebody worked on it, but I'm thinking about stripping them down and reworking them. Yeah. Yeah.
I bought this one myself just for the body.
Yeah.
It has a long grill in it, but I didn't care. I was gonna make a hot rod out of it.
Yeah.
Like this one here I built years ago, just as a street machine.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's what I'm planning to do with mine. I got 2 partial kits, so I'm gonna put them together and see what I can come up with.
And this paint, nail polish.
Yeah, a lot of people are using that nowadays. A lot of models. Yeah. Very nice build, man.
Thank you.
Very nice. Thanks for showing it. Parts, guys. Engines. Look at this. $2 for an engine. How could you go wrong? There's 3 of them in here. I mean, chassis. You guys need chassis, seats, tires. I mean, you name it. Here's one partially built right here. I think that's a 1/8 scale. This is a 1/8 scale.
You open up the door on the plate. It has a logo. It looks like a really old car with spoke wheels, and it says Fisher. Because what happened was Fisher was a car company, but they were different bodies.
Excuse me? Yes, sir. Oh, the visible V8. Look at that. $50, guys.
No, that was the impression I got there. No, south side.